Hello everyone, today's makeup look is green smoky eye makeup look. So you can carry out this makeup look if in any of your mehndi occasion. So how I have created this look, let's watch the tutorial. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so whenever I post new videos you get the notification and you watch my videos. I have already done my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I have used my Wet n Wild brow pencil and it's in the medium brown color. And for my concealer I have used the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and it's in the shade of Honey, and I have set my concealer with the help of compact powder. The palette which I'm going to use Morphe 35B palette. So the first color which I'm going to use is called Smoothie. It's this color, and with the help of a fluffy brush I will apply it on my crease. The second color which I'm going to use is called Apple Cider. It's this light green color, and I'm taking this this crease brush and I will also apply the same color on my crease area. For next color I'm taking this small crease brush because we are applying the darkest color, so I'm using this small crease brush. Before I go further, what I will do, I will actually use my compact powder. This way I know where I have to stop my eyeshadow. That's a good technique if you don't want to use any tape for your eyes or you're sensitive to tape. And the next shade which we are going to use is called Forest. It's a dark forest color, and this color we will apply on my crease area and on the side of my eye. Slowly I will build the color of my desire. Now with the help of clean blending brush I will blend the eyeshadow. We need this small pencil brush, and I will do, I'll take this black color which is called Pebble, and just a bit I will darken everything. I have darkened the corners, and then I will slowly, gradually just apply it on my crease. When I apply it on my crease, I actually first apply it on the side of my eyes. So the most of the eyeshadow, it should be go on side of my eye, and then with the same brush I just drag it on my crease. In this way it's not getting too dark, otherwise the black has so much pigments that it just you can say it overwhelm the other colors. The next thing we need is a fluffy brush, and we will just blend everything. Now the shade which we need is called Miss Boss, this one, and we need a flat brush to apply. After this you need a brush, and you will blend the edges and everything you have to clean up. So for my under eyes, first I'm using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. The shade is Milk Latte. I have waterlined my eyes. With the help of this small brush, I'm taking the shade which I have applied on my crease. And half of my crease I'm applying this light shade. For other half, I'm taking the color Forest, which was the darkest color, darkest green in this palette, and I'm connecting it with this color. Then the same black pebble color, a little bit. So I'm taking my Morphe 35F and the color which I will choose is called Invisible. It's a shimmery color. Same, you need a small brush, any setting spray. The colors, they become so much pigmented and they look so beautiful. Take the clean brush and after this, just clean everything. So now I'm taking my Clinique mascara. I forgot about the liner and I just applied my mascara, but that's okay. So I have two options. I have this, it's a glitter liquid eyeliner which is by Miss Rose. So I have an option to apply this one and it's almost a sort of green color. It's color 5, but they haven't mentioned the color, but it's sort of green. And this is my Miss Rose stamp eyeliner. It's very good if you are not you don't know how to make a wing. This liner works perfect, but mostly I don't use it a stamp, but you can use if you want. You have seen how beautiful it looks. It's effortless. So if you do not know how to apply a wing liner, this liner is must. So this was the final result. I hope you like it. Bye bye.